A resolution of Charleston County Council proclaiming July 27th through August 4th, 2024 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Charleston County is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, Charleston County and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, specifically in the coastal regions, including South Carolina, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Charleston County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act created by United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of the International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival. And whereas Queen Quet has served as the official head Kondabadi and spokesperson for Gullah Geechees since July 2nd, 2000, and whereas the 24th anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation is being celebrated under the theme, Gullah Geechee, Taking a Stand and Healing the Land. And whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of the contributions of the Gullah Geechee cultural heritage have given to our area and the sustainability of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Now therefore be it resolved that Charleston County Council does hereby proclaim the week of July 27th through August 4th, 2024 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Charleston County, and encourages its citizens to celebrate the Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme Celebrating Gullah Geechee Resiliency and support Gullah Geechee businesses and institutions. Charleston County Council, Herbert R. Sass III, Chairman.
I'm just sure you to block that man. Thank you. Yes, sir. And of course, I come into y'all. I ain't want them children to be vexed because all them want to hug up me, they ain't me much. I come in there with you, okay? So, good evening, everybody. Oh, they trying. What happened? Was it vexed with y'all? That's why I can't talk. Good evening. Okay, I'll leave it there. Okay, baby, I have to sing that song. Okay. So glad for the right here back in Chucktown. Been here all day, been here for most of the day today, doing a training about resilience and things like that. And so for help the environment. And so glad for walking here and get so much a hug from all the Gullah Geechees who are there in here. The Gullah Geechees who are there in here, please stand up. Because 10 miles I know there in here. Oh, great. There we go. Now I talk. For 10 miles Mount Pleasant there. So cover everybody. And then I know some of my people there here from Owendale and all of that. I'm so glad to see everybody, to see the family and everybody who have been a whole country culture with me. Some of them who even have come here, the whole country culture present, some have been here. Okay, then a whole country thing. Yeah, did a good job. Okay, see the first one get hit on the body done. All this young children. And I've been up and down the coast from North Carolina to Florida, and then men been broke up their head on the body. They've been to see all kind of other rest of things. They ain't right. So you did a good job. So all the 100 children who just get to the snow and never yet the people to try to teach. So for all of you new people to Charleston, the language you hear me speaking is ours, the Gullah language. And if you come to this county and you don't hear Gullah, something's wrong. Okay? Because you should hear it. Because this is the place that our ancestors first created. And this is the county in which Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week was launched. It was first launched 12 years ago in the city and by the city of Charleston, by the mayor at that time. And then the county said, they ain't got to do, we all got join. So the whole of Charleston started celebrating it. And after that, now every county from North Carolina to Florida, except Horry County, except Horry County, where Myrtle Beach is, they're the only ones who've never celebrated Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Y'all ask them what that's about. But so next year is the 25th anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And we want to have a big celebration. Y'all in Charleston County. So I could tell y'all would be up here the same thing I tell them in Chatham County last Friday. Y'all get going and make the motion and second the motion for budget. I know. That big celebration for Gullah Geechee Nation. Y'all agree? Y'all agree? That third reason tonight for that. But for sure, we want to say thank you. And so for all of you, please come Saturday, come south. I can always come north. Come south to Beaufort County on Saturday. We will launch Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week on Saturday at noon, rain or shine, at historic Penn Center, which is Penn School. And so it's going to be plenty good Gullah Geechee food. Chuck Town Mobile, what they from up here, could be making some of that food, okay? And a few others from Eddie's store and all of them. So all kind of good food, including vegan food, good there. So y'all can come now for things, but if you get there late now, Chair, I can't promise you nothing good there, okay? So don't come, be early, okay? So please come down, celebrate with us. It's going to be a great time, good music, always a lot of good fun. We say it stopped 3 o'clock, but nobody don't never go home 3 o'clock. Y'all know it, just like church. You argue about how long the pastor preached, but then you stay on the church step for another 45 minutes. So they never leave at 3 because we always having such a good time. So I hope y'all will come this coming Saturday, July 27th. That's the launch. And we'll conclude in Jacksonville, Florida on August the 2nd with a party with the purpose to launch my new book, Gullah Geechee Blessed Fun to See, which is a children's book really about the environment. But I launched it at our South Carolina State Library, and more adults bought the book for themselves than who bought it for children. So that's a good sign, because that means that so many of us care about this environment we're in, want to sustain it, and want to hold on to the environment. But in that environment, and Charleston wouldn't have this environment, the Low Country wouldn't have this environment without my ancestors, Gullah Geechee. We have a cultural heritage landscape. And believe me, when you alter it too much, you can't get it back. So I'm very proud about the moratoriums I'm hearing about building. We need to slow that down. And we need to slow that down. Y'all need to go back to living 10 head and 15 head in one house. Okay? And have 15 rooms and 2 people. Okay? So that we can really truly sustain this environment. Because by doing that, we sustain and retain our culture and our heritage and that good old seafood that all y'all look like y'all eating good up here. Okay? So thank you, sir. Let's get this. We gonna get our picture again this year. Get the picture. All y'all gonna stand up so we can get a nice picture. So y'all gonna be looking like y'all sleeping in the bed. Come on down, my brother. Come on, you. He was starting this way. Something be in the back and something. Y'all perfect. Y'all two go right there. Okay. Now, here we go. You step in full so we can be right here. Y'all just close it down.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Boy, you want a full heart?
No. I want to sign a copy of the book to live in. So this will bring it.
And for free now.
No matter.
Ain't no problem. I can autograph them. I just autograph them and charge you a little extra for that. You probably could sell them on eBay. No, I love you, man. You know you got them.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank y'all, Charleston. Love y'all.